Hi folks, today we'll be doing a tour of the Langham Hotel in Hong Kong. In addition to this, I'll be talking about some of the benefits that you get with the Fine Hotels and Resorts program. And this benefit is from having the American Express Platinum card. And there's also a $200 hotel credit that you can use in conjunction with your booking using this card. I'll get into the details of that very shortly. So the first benefit of this program is that you get a 12 p.m. check-in, and usually check-in is around 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. at a regular hotel. By the way, this is a 5-star hotel and it was pretty spacious. I had a really good stay here. The next benefit is that you get a room upgrade when available. I don't think I got a significant upgrade for this stay, maybe just on a higher floor away from the elevators. But the upgrades are usually one room level above whatever you booked. Although I have heard of people being upgraded to a suite before using this benefit. So I think it really depends on whatever is available. By the way, all these food items are not comped and you would have to pay separately for that. The only thing that's included is tea and coffee here. You also get complimentary Wi-Fi as well. I'm kind of disappointed that a lot of hotels are not including Wi-Fi in their stay anymore. So the $200 hotel credit from the American Express Platinum card can be used when booking at least one night in the Fine Hotel and Resorts program or 2 nights with the hotel collection. The credit is automatically dispersed into your account shortly after you do your booking. To really maximize this $200 credit, it makes more sense to book with the Fine Hotels and Resorts program because there's a shorter 1-day stay minimum as opposed to 2 days, and you also get more benefits with this program as well. Going back to some of the benefits of this program, you also get a $100 experience credit, and that's going to vary from property to property. At some hotels, you can use this credit at their spa for like a free massage. In this situation, I used it for afternoon tea. So kind of like a food credit. And I believe you can use this credit for room service as well if you wanted dinner inside your room. What you're seeing now is footage of the inside of their spa bathroom, and there's like a sauna in there, as well as the gym and the pool as well. So you'll see that shortly. This facility was extremely clean and well kept and very modern as well. They had a lot of great amenities. The next benefit in the Fine Hotels and Resorts program is that you get a 4 p.m. late checkout. This is great. Normally checkout is 11 to 12 p.m. and even with status from a credit card, for example, the latest you can usually check out is 2 p.m. I really wish I took some time to really check out all their facilities here. I just was too busy sightseeing and did not have enough time to even use the pool, for example. I think the staff working here were pretty friendly and courteous as well, so no complaints there. This was honestly one of the cleanest hotels I've been to as well. Alright, so the last benefit I'll be talking about from this program is that you get complimentary daily breakfast for 2 people. And most of these hotel breakfasts are going to be buffet style, but it's a pretty lavish buffet. They kind of have literally everything you can think of. So most of the hotel bookings you'll see in this program along with the hotel collection is going to be more so 5-star hotels, so a little bit more higher end and expensive as well. I think this benefit is one of the most underrated benefits of the Amex Platinum card, and I'll tell you why. If you manage to get a booking at one of these hotels during off-peak season where it's a lot more affordable, with all the credits they throw at you, sometimes the benefits can pay for the stay by itself. And what I mean by that is you get free breakfast for 2 people, you get that $100 experience credit, and you get all these upgrades. So all the value that you get from the benefit of this program can offset the hotel stay completely. And I'm not even taking into account the $200 hotel credit. And they have a custom noodle station here, which I thought was pretty cool. I think the food here is mixed, some good items, some bad items, so it was kind of all over the place. But it's a buffet. So overall, I thought the stay was great. I really liked our room, and the hotel is in a very central location as well. So it's near where all the great restaurants are, as well as the tourist attractions as well. Highly recommended to stay here if you're in the area.